Alright, howdy everybody. I'm trying to get the best camera angle I can. It's not going to be perfect, so I tried a couple of different things and we'll see how this works out. Yeah, you can see. Okay, so I got the panel inside, obviously. I got some sandpaper. This is 220 grit. I got my wood filler. It's kind of like Play-Doh, very similar to Play-Doh, and I'm thinking that's too thick, so I got some some lids that I'm going to maybe mix a little water. I don't know if this can be diluted down. I'm kind of learning as I go here. Test small area. Da 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 da. Interior, okay. Paintable, won't crack or shrink. Okay. All right. So we're going to try that. And this is going to be a work in progress, so just kind of bear with me. I was thinking about sanding it down, but I don't think it's going to do a whole lot for me. What I might do is sand this, just the high spots. Okay. I'm not looking for perfection. I'm looking for something that I can't see, that I won't be able to see, that it will be hard to see when the vanity's in. Okay. It's kind of a weird little ding. It looked like, see these little impressions, right? It's hard to say what bumped into it, but I don't know. It happened somewhere between here and California. That's all I know. Real quick, I found these are going to be my pulls. Oops, hold it. I told you I'm at a weird angle. Here's my pulls, my new pulls, and they're completely different from what came with it. And look at the base. See the base? Oop, wait a minute. Yeah, see the base? So I don't know what this is going to look like. And these don't want to come off too easily, and I don't want to force them off because that might create its own damage. So I don't know what I'm going to do about that just yet. But these are going to be my new pulls. Okay, so let me. I don't even know if you can do this with this wood filler, but I'm going to try. I'm going to get a little bit in my little cap here, like that. You can't even see it. Let me back you out. I might be too far in. All right, that's a little bit better. Okay. Yeah, bear with me because I can't see my camera. So I have to bend over to look at it. Oh yeah. All right, so I'm going to get a little bit, just a couple drops or something. So hold on one sec. Okay. I think I added a little bit too much water. See? That wasn't a lot of water to add. Yeah, that's way too much. I know. Well, maybe not. All right, let me put a little more of this wood filler in there. I'm learning as we go. It's the best way to learn. Yeah, that's not so bad. All right, I'm going to add a little more. I got some paint stir sticks. These things are proving to be pretty handy. All right. Yeah, that's not so bad. It's not too bad. Now, I'm sure there's probably 52 different ways to do this, let's just say, right? I'm doing one of 52 ways. Now, let's see here. Okay, I also got a shim that I'm going to use as my little, which is not in the best of shape, but let's try it. Yeah, all right. Now I was talking to Smitty. You know, he's like, don't overdo it. you know, do it little by little. So I know he's going to say, so Smitty, I'm trying to, you know, be true to my word and not overdo it. All right, let's try. Can you see this one? Yeah, let's try this one. We don't want to overdo it. It's kind of like repairing drywall, right? You want to fill the hole, but you don't want to leave. Oh, and I forgot I was gonna put some tape. I was gonna run some tape around here, but we'll get to that. Okay. Let's do this one. It's kind of fun. I'll try not to bore you. Ooh, that might be a little bit too much. Yes, might be a little bit too much. Little by little. Let's do this one here. Now it's sandable, right? Sandable, but I don't want to have a whole, you know, bunch of sanding. I think adding water was definitely a good idea. You just have to figure out how much water to add. Oop. Let's do this a little bit more. Let's do this one. You know, it doesn't look pretty. Doesn't look pretty. Let's come back with let's see. I got this. Alright. I don't want to scuff up the surface either, you know? Too much. I gotta do right in there. See that? Gotta do that too. Where was it? Yeah, right in there. It's gonna be in stages, building it up. I think the hardest part's gonna be right in this little crevice. Right in this little crevice, right in there. Okay, let me pause you and get some work on off camera and we'll come back. All right, I wanted you to see this. I have a paper towel, damp paper towel. I'm just, I have a feeling I'm going to be wiping too much off of this, but that's okay. I want to get it out of this little crevice here. This crevice right here. Alright, I'll get it out of there. And get it out of here. I want to get it to a point where I can leave it tonight, come back tomorrow and work and do some more work. Ooh, that's a piece of the wood right there. See that? I don't know if you can see it, but right here, see where this piece is wanting to stick up? That's part of the cabinet wood. All right. Okay, hold on. All right, I thought of something else too. When I get ready, I'm going to bring this whole panel into Lowe's. I'm going to say, make me a, you know, a little batch. I need to match this. Okay. Yeah, this is going to be a little problem area, right? Right here. This is going to be a problem right there. Because it wants to, yeah, it wants to, it's kind of like frayed wood. It's grainy pieces of whatever this material is. And, all right. So I just want to make sure that when I leave it for tonight, I know it doesn't look like I got a whole lot done or accomplished, but that's okay. Okay. Hold on, I'll get you a better look. See, hold on a sec. All right, so here's what I did on the first pass. I know, doesn't look like I got anything done, especially looking at this through my camera's eye, you know. But that's all right. We're going to leave it and let this set, and then we'll work on it some more tomorrow. Hope you, if you hung in there with me this long, thanks. All right, so stay tuned. We're going to work on this again tomorrow.